You ever wondered how YouTube pays the creators? Maybe you have seen a YouTuber saying, I made money from YouTube. And you ask yourself, where does that money come from? How many views do you need? How does YouTube know how much to pay you? And most importantly, can someone anywhere make money from YouTube? The answer is yes, but there is something important that you need to understand. YouTube does not pay you because you have many subscribers or because your videos get many views. In this video, I'm going to show you how YouTube pays the creators, where the money comes from, how you can qualify for monetization, and how you can receive your money. So watch until the end because I'll make everything simple. Welcome to Master Vision, where we talk about YouTube tips, tools, and strategies to help creators grow and earn on YouTube. The first thing I'm going to talk about, where does YouTube money come from? The major source is advertising. Companies pay Google to show advertisement to people on YouTube. For example, imagine a company wants to advertise a phone. They pay for advertisements to reach the people who may be interested in that phone. When advertisements are shown around your content, YouTube can share part of advertising revenue with you. So the simple idea is advertisers pay YouTube. When they pay YouTube share eligible revenue with creators. But remember, there is no fixed amount of money for every 1,000 views. Your earning can change depending on many factors, including the viewers, advertisements available, content, and the other factors. You don't get paid just for subscribers. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings among beginners. Some people think that I have 10,000 subscribers, so YouTube will automatically pay me. Not exactly. Subscribers are important because it can help you to build a biggest audience. But subscribers are not a direct payment. You can have many subscribers and you make a little money if people are not watching your videos. You need to qualify for monetization and follow YouTube's policies. After joining the YouTube Partner Program, you can access different ways of earning money. So don't focus only on subscribers. Focus on creating a useful videos that people actually want to watch. What is the YouTube Partner Program? Now let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program, also called YPP. This is the program that allows eligible creators to access YouTube's monetization and features. So don't think YouTube is for chosen one. You can create your YouTube channel and make it successful. But remember, meeting the numbers does not automatically means you are accepted. YouTube reviews your channel to make sure it follows its policies. How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? Now we come to the question almost the beginners asks. The honest answer is there is no single fixed amount. So you should be careful when you hear someone saying 1,000 views always give you exactly this amount of money. That is not how YouTube works. Your earnings can be different from another creator's earning. Why? Because not every view results in the same advertising revenue. The audience location, type of content, advertisements, viewer behavior, and the other factors can affect your earnings. So instead of asking, how much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? A better question is, how can I build an audience that watches valuable content consistently? That is a much stronger strategy for creators. Let's talk another way that YouTube can pay you. Another important thing that you need to know, ads are not the only way to make money on YouTube. YouTube provides several monetization features for eligible creators. One is a YouTube Premium revenue. When a YouTube Premium subscribers watches your content, eligible creators can receive part of the subscription revenue. Another way is the channel memberships. Viewers can pay a recurring monthly amount to become members and receive the perks you offer. There are also features such as super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. These allow viewers to support creators through YouTube's funding features where available, and when the creator meets the requirements, there can also be shopping and the other monetization opportunities for eligible creators. So don't build your entire YouTube plan around advertisements alone. Think about YouTube as a platform where you can build an audience and then use the available monetization tools that fit your content. What about taxes? There is another important subject that many YouTubers forget. If you earn money from YouTube, you may have tax responsibility depending on where you live. YouTube says monetizing creators may submit their tax information. Google may also withhold certain taxes where applicable. Now let me tell you one of the biggest mistakes YouTubers make. When they start a channel, They immediately think, how can I get money? Before money comes, the value you provide. Ask yourself, what problem I'm solving? What am I teaching? What am I entertaining people with? Why should someone click on my video? If you can answer these questions, you are already thinking like a creator. Don't chase views only. Build the trust. Build a community. Improve your thumbnails. Improve your titles. Improve your storytelling. And the most importantly, keep learning. Now, this is my final message to creators. Advertising is one major source of revenue, but YouTube does not guarantee a fixed amount for every number of views. But don't start a YouTube only because you want quick money. Start because you have something valuable to share. Build your audience, improve your content, stay consistent, and learn how YouTube works. If this video helped you understand how YouTube pays creators, like this video, subscribe to Master Vision, and share it with another person who wants to start YouTube. And remember, don't just upload videos, build a vision. This is Master Vision. See you in the next video.